So as I earlier said, that mean is commonly known as the average. So now in this particular simple example, let's say if I ask you to find out the mean of these 5 numbers. These 5 numbers are 104, 98, 90, 104 and 104. So if I ask you to find out the mean of that, that's very simple. What you do is you add all these numbers. So 104 plus 98 plus 90 plus 104 plus 104. You add all of these and then divide by number of items, and number of items in this case is 5. So once you add these, divide by 5, this will give you 100. So that is the mean. But then what is the problem with the mean? The main problem with the mean is that if you have an outlier, and when I say outlier, outlier is something totally very high or very low value that can adversely affect the mean value. Let's say if you go to a place and find out the average salary of those people, let's say you have 20 friends and you ask each of your friends to, and you find out the average salary of that. But then if one of your friend is, let's say, Bill Gates or Warren Buffett, then just because of this one person's salary income, the average will drastically shift. But then this average doesn't represent the actual average of that group. So any outlier, any extreme value can influence mean in a big way. That is the reason sometimes you don't use mean, and instead of mean you use median. So with this, what is median? Let's look at that on the next video.